Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today's Tuesday, October 27th, 2020. It's a B day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Just a quick reminder, today is Disney Day. So today, make sure and wear those Disney shirts, Mickey Mouse ears, or accessories. Also, tomorrow, wear your shades, your sunglasses. Shade out drugs by wearing your sunglasses. Tomorrow we'll see all of you with your sunglasses on. Also, quick reminder, just remember every day counts. I saw that 5th grade Brandon Posada won a pumpkin because he had came to school all week last week and had got his name put in a drawing. Nice job, Brandon. So, remember, I and all of our other teachers and leaders get to see all the wonderful things you do. So keep up the hard work and have a great day. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!